Da ni yma yn Llanddona pnawn 'ma ar un o ddiwrnodau Gwirfoddoli Cwlwm Seiriol. Afternoon, we're here in Llanddona as part of our Cwlwm Seiriol project, volunteering in this patch of land this afternoon. Andy, can you tell us a bit about what's happening today? What are we doing?
Yeah, sure. Part of the meadow management of this area is to cut and clear the grassland at the end of the summer, just to get the nutrients off, and we're just doing it the traditional way this year, and learning how to use the sides as well.
Hi Mike.
Hi, good morning.
Thanks for coming here this morning. So, can you tell us, why are you interested in the volunteering opportunities?
It's something to learn, I think, and I'm all for learning how to do new things and old things also. It's very good.
Barod wedi bod yn brysur heddiw a wedi clirio dipyn o'r tir yma'n hyn. We've already been busy this morning and this afternoon clearing a bit of land here, and we'll be doing a bit more of this, Andy, next week?
Yes, that's right. So we'll carry on. There's a few more areas that need cutting, and we're passing on the traditional methods and teaching people how to use the sides as well.
Gret, so os ydych chi efo diddordeb i ddod i wybod mwy am y pladur, am y scything, yna dewch gysylltiad efo ni, a mi rown ni fwy o wybodaeth i chi ynglyn â pryd mae'r digwyddiadau nesaf. If you have an interest in volunteering or just becoming part of Cwlwm Seiriol project, learning more about the scything, then let us know.